Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of big data. If you are new to this concept, you are in the right place. In this video, we will explain what big data is and why is it important. So let's get started. In today's digital age, we generate an enormous amount of data every second. This data comes from various sources such as social media, online transactions, sensors, and more. Big data refers to this vast and complex collection of structured and unstructured data that is too large and fast moving for traditional data processing methods. But what makes big data so significant? Well, big data holds valuable insights and patterns that can help business and organizations make informed decisions, improve processes, and gain a competitive edge. It allows us to uncover hidden correlations, trends, and behaviors that were previously inaccessible. Big data analysis involves various techniques and technologies to extract meaning from this vast amount of information. One such technique is data mining, which involves discovering patterns and relationships in the data. Machine learning and artificial intelligence algorithms are also used to derive valuable insights from big data. The three main characteristics that define big data are known as the three V's: volume, velocity, and variety. Volume refers to the enormous amount of data generated. Velocity refers to the speed at which data is generated and needs to be processed. And variety refers to the diverse types of data, including structured, unstructured, and semi structured data. To handle big data effectively, specialized tools and technologies have been developed. These include distributed computing frameworks like Apache Hadoop and Apache Spark, which enable processing and analysis of large scale datasets across multiple machines in a parallel and efficient manner. Big data has revolutionized various industries. For example, in healthcare, it helps in personalized medicine, disease prediction, and improving patient outcomes. In finance, big data analysis enhances fraud detection and risk assessment. In transportation, it optimizes routes and predicts traffic patterns. In conclusion, big data is the massive collection of data that holds valuable insights for business and organizations. It helps us uncover patterns, trends, and correlations that can lead to better decision making and improved processes overall across the industries. Embracing big data and its analysis is becoming increasingly crucial in today's data driven world. That wraps up our introduction to big data for beginners. We hope this video provided you with a better understanding of what big data is and why it matters. If you have any questions or want to learn more about big data, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.